How to increase file upload size in WordPress using the .htaccess file in Hostinger website. So let's get started. In the WordPress dashboard, under the Media section, you can see the current file upload size in WordPress is only 1 gigabyte. I want to increase the file upload size to 5 gigabyte. I'll show you how to do it using the .htaccess file in the website's public HTML directory. So we need to head to the Hostinger hosting account. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We will need to enter the hosting account by clicking the Manage button under the Hosting section. Next, we need to click the Files tab on the left side of the screen. Then click the File Manager below, where all the website directories are stored. I have only one website in my hosting account. If you have more than one website in your hosting account, you will need to enter the specific website directory. Once we enter the website directory, we need to click the public HTML directory again. The htaccess file will be found in the public HTML directory. It is normally hidden by default. To unhide and view the file, click the Settings tab on the left of the screen. In the pop-up window, uncheck the Hide .files option and then update the changes made. Go to the public HTML directory again. Here, you can see all the hidden files. The .htaccess file is a hidden file. You can see that the .htaccess file. We will need to click Edit and open the .htaccess file. Next, we need to add this code into the .htaccess file and then save the changes. You can find the link to the code in the description section of this YouTube video. Next, we head back to the WordPress dashboard and refresh the page to confirm if the file size has been increased. And done. Now we can upload files up to 5 gigabytes in WordPress. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful.